Okay, our topic is punctuality. Punctuality, being punctual, coming on time, doing things before something, right? So, first question, that do you think everyone should wear a watch?
Well, I think yeah, everyone should wear a watch. But yeah, watch is not necessary. We can. There are many provisions available to see time. Like if we have mobile, we can see time in that also. So like wearing watch is not compulsory.
But everyone should wear a watch.
Sorry, compulsory. But we should have a timekeeper. Like whether it is in mobile or we have a wristwatch, uh, we can go with it. So
So,
to answer your question, there should be something in which we can look for the time.
right. So, instead of using that, everybody should wear it, you can say people should try to wear watch or some gadgets which show them the time, right? Okay, fine.